Welcome guys back to my channel. It makes 2 videos in one day, which I'm super excited. But I decided to go ahead and do it since I went to the mailbox and saw my Boxycharm in there today. This is my box here that came in for the month of June. So I decided to just kind of share with you all what I have in my box. I love Boxycharm. I've been subscribed for a little over a year now. And I think it's a great way to get products. You get a box full of 5 items, 4 products, and I like it because it's different stuff come in those boxes that I've really been liking them. I know some people don't like some of the months, but I like all the months. I don't complain because you got to remember you get a whole full box of makeup for 20 bucks. So that's one reason why I don't complain about what's in the box, because you're getting the bang for your buck for $20 anyway. And then this month's box is Caribbean Queen. And we have in this box Alamar palette that features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. The pigments and pearls are found to be intense metallics or ground your look with the warm richness of the creamy mattes. For more intense applicated shades, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush. That palette retails for $28. Then we have some Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes, which is 3D layered Monroe Silk Lashes. Those are retailed for $28. And I love me some good lashes. And then we have some Sol de Janeiro. I think I'm pronouncing that right because I always screw up some words. Which is a Brazilian Bum Bum cream that is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. What is this used for? Oh, it helps your body to look and feel its smoothest and tightest. Cool. I can't wait to try that out and see how it works for my skin. And that's retailed at $10. Then we have a Luxie 3+3-piece. Where did I get plus from? Flawless Complexion Brush Set. Which has a foundation brush, a highlighting brush, and a duo powder brush. Can't wait to use those because we got the mini ones a couple of months ago and I like those as well. But these are the actual full size brushes. Then I have a Jante Blue waterproof eyeliner pencil, which is 100% vegan. It's a smooth for elevated eye looks. Used along the upper lash line or the waterline. And this retails for $5. And then I have an Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick, which retails for $21. And it says that there's no need to use a lip liner. This liquid lipstick is a beautiful edge to your lip look. And actually, I've gotten another Ofra lipstick, liquid lipstick in one of my boxes before, and I love it. It's a great feel. It doesn't dry out or anything like that, so I really like it. Now let's go ahead and show you the items that's in my box. This is the brush set that came in my box. Let me open it up. Me and all this noise, sorry. Okay, so this is the 3-piece brush set. They are really soft. I like Luxie brushes. I was waiting for a full size to come in my box because the other ones we received was kind of like the little miniature travel brushes. And I can see myself using these. And I probably won't use this for foundation. I'll probably use it for like a setting powder under my eye area when I want to set my concealer, because I don't see this being a foundation brush. This one is a powder brush. I'll probably contour something with this because I like how it's kind of pointed, and the fiber, these kind of fibers to me, when I'm working with them, they kind of blend out product really seamless for me if it needs to be blended into my skin. And I'll probably use this. This is a great little highlighter brush. I'm going to probably have to wash them to get them into shape because they're kind of bending right now. And I can see that being a great highlighter brush. And that's what it's used for. So I like these 3 brushes. I will be getting used to these brushes. The next item I want to share is the Sol de Janeiro Fast Absorbing Body Cream. Is tight and smoothing, and this is what it comes in a jar like this. I've never used it, but I've seen it in the store. Let's take a peek at it. Oh, okay. It's a cream. A nice little cream. So I can't wait to try that out and see if it's going to tighten my skin up. And see how it works. Then I have the Ofra liquid lipstick. This is in the color Verona. If you guys can see that. Verona. And it's a kind of a brownish nude color. I think I'm gonna like it because the other one I like is like a mauve color, and it's really a great feel on my lips. So I think I can do that. Then I have the black with charcoal 912 eyeliner pencil by Jante Blue, which is this pencil here. I think everyone's gonna get one. I don't know if everyone's gonna have black because I oversaw another YouTube video where someone mentioned that we will get some subscribers will get a brown, but I like the black, so I'm glad I got the black. And then the lashes, the Baddington lashes. There are some 3D Monroe silk lashes like this right here. I love lashes. These are some nice lashes. They have like a 3D layer effect, and I like how they look in the box because they kind of feathered out. So I can't wait to try these on to see how they look when I apply them on my eyes. I can't wait to kind of test them out, because I let me see again how much they retail for. $28. Because to be honest, when I first tried out the pure lashes, the Diva lashes, they actually came in my Boxycharm, and I've been purchasing those lashes ever since. I don't wear them every day. I wear them when I'm going places, but I've been buying those lashes all the time since I purchased, tried them in this Boxycharm box. So I can't wait to see how these are going to look, because sometimes they kind of look like this in a box, but when you put them on, they are really beautiful. I don't know about these, but I can see them being really pretty on my eyes. I can't wait to try them because I love lashes. My last item is this palette, this Alamar palette, cosmetics palette, kind of everywhere, which looks like this. And I've been seeing a lot of people play with this palette. I like the colors in this palette. Let's do some swatches. I guess it wouldn't hurt. Okay, La Costa is this pinkish color. Well, light pink kind of color. It's like a, let's do it again, because I want to get some good swatches out of it. Okay, so that's a nice pretty color, and that's La Costa. Let's try El Melcan. I'm sorry about these names. I can't pronounce them. This color here is like a gold, and that's that color. Now that's pretty. Then you have Veradero. I would screw up some words, which is a bluish, which is this color here. The colors are really pigmented. Then you have Celia, which is a green. My gosh, they're pigmented. And that's the green. And then you have Cocoa Taxi, which is this orange. It's a matte shade. You can't really see that. I'm just kind of scared of this. Maybe it's because I look orange then. You can't hardly see that one. Then you have Tropico, which is this deeper orange. That one is smooth and velvety. And that's that color. And that's that one. I just cannot see Cocoa Taxi. I don't know what's going on with that color. Then you have Guatemala, which is a mauve maroon type color. Let's do that one more time. I like the color so far though. Now those shimmers are like the bomb. And the last one is Cafecito, which is a chocolate matte color. Chocolate matte color, which is this color. Okay, let's swatch that one again. The chocolate matte color. Let me go back in with Cocoa Taxi, because I'm really not feeling Feeling it, not swatching. Maybe it's just supposed to be this orangish color, and my skin tone is just blending right on with it. Maybe that's it. But I really want to get a good swatch so you all can see it. Okay, I like it. I like it. So that is what all came in my Boxycharm. Again, this is the palette. Now, I like those 3 colors right there. Those are calling my name. Now, that blue may be a steal for me. And that green. I've been liking green and blues lately. But I really, really like these colors in that palette. If you guys are not subscribed to Boxycharm, I would definitely recommend it. It's kind of like, to me, it's a treat to myself when I'm getting those packages. I'm looking forward to those packages. And I'm excited when I see the $20 come out of my $21 and some change, whatever it is, somewhere around that price range. But it's not expensive at all. But when I see those, them take it out of my account, I know my box is on its way, and I'm super excited. And I'm constantly just watching the mailman, waiting on my Boxycharm. So if you have not subscribed, I would definitely do so. It's a way for me to treat myself on a monthly. I deserve it. I work hard, so $20 on a box is a good way to treat yourself, because it's a good way that I treat myself. But that pretty much wraps it up for my Boxycharm for June. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you see, then hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to stay up with all the content that I post. And I look forward to chatting with you guys later. Goodbye.